Hello, my name's Daniel here at Motor Match Stoke, and today I'm going to be taking you around this used Toyota RAV4 XL finished in black. It features the 2.5 litre petrol hybrid engine paired with the CVT automatic gearbox, delivering an efficient and smooth driving experience. This RAV4 sits nicely on 19-inch alloy wheels, and it features LED projector headlights which light up the road nicely. In the boot you'll find 580 litres of space. This can be increased to 1,690 litres with the rear seats down. Taking a look inside to the rear, you have your very stylish two-tone leather interior. It features ISOFIX points on the outer seats, allowing you to easily fit a child seat into the vehicle. Up front you have your leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel. Moving around and up top, this RAV4 features the panoramic sunroof. Moving to the front seats now, and you do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat, so you can easily find the perfect driving position. On the multifunction steering wheel to the left you have controls for the display in the instrument cluster, and to the right you have your radar cruise control. On the display here in the instrument cluster you've got access to a range of different driving data. You can see hybrid information as well as access to a range of vehicle settings. Centered here in the dashboard you have the touchscreen infotainment system, providing you with access to DAB, FM and AM radio, or alternatively you can play your own music with USB and Bluetooth connectivity. You can also pair your phone up with Bluetooth to safely make hands-free phone calls while on the go. Throughout the interior you have the fantastic JBL sound system, making listening to music even more enjoyable. This RAV4 features a 360 style camera along with parking sensors, making parking super easy. Below the display you have your dual zone automatic climate control, and there's also heated front seats to keep you nice and warm on those colder days. Here in the centre console you have your automatic gear selector along with two cup holders. Thanks for watching this walk around video of this used Toyota RAV4 XL. For more information, please get in contact with a member of our sales team who'd be more than happy to help with your inquiry.